Changing your password on OneDrive is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account remains secure. Step 1. Sign into OneDrive. Open your web browser and go to the OneDrive website. Enter your current Microsoft account credentials to log in. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile picture or initials in the upper right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, select View Account to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to Security. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Security tab. Click on it to find options related to your account security, including password management. Step 4. Change your password. Under the Security settings, find the option that says Change Password. Click on it and you will be prompted to enter your current password followed by your new password. Make sure your new password meets the security requirements. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new password, confirm it by typing it again in the provided field. Click the Save or Submit button to finalize the change. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your password has been successfully updated. Remember to update your password in any devices or applications where you use OneDrive. Keeping your password secure is essential for protecting your files and personal information.